VEVOR sent me this set of 3 very cool collapsible storage bins. And they've got a little instruction guide that comes with it. But these are very self-explanatory. Give you the dimensions real quick. When they're closed up, they're about 15¼ inches deep. And then 23½ inches wide. And with all 3 stacked up together, about 6 inches. And each one individually is only about 1¾ inches, so they get very compact. And then I'll show you how they extend up. So the top is just a cover, so you can remove that completely. And then the rest of it, you just lift. And it's amazing how they just snap right into place. Grab on each side like that, and just come up. And then push down like that. And it's built. Sturdy box. The sides pop in, and they've got little guides that they'll lock into, so you can go back through and make sure everything is synced up nice. You can see those right there along that edge. But it's a very sturdy, large box. I'll show you how tall it is extended. Comes in at about 12 inches. And then you've got your top. And with the way the grooves are set up all the way around, they're stackable. So all 3 of these will stack up nice with all kinds of items put in there for storage. Let's collapse it back down again. It's going to be the same as when we set it up. Just going to poke in each of these sides like this, and just kind of move it back and forth. And it falls down like that. Put your cover. And I got my stack of 3. So there you go. Very cool set from VEVOR. Hope that helps. Have a great day.